Hello everyone, my name is Riddhi and I am a third year computer engineering student from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering for Women. Today I am excited to present my mini project titled Job Description and Resume Matcher as a part of the Data Science and Big Data Analytics subject. So let me give a brief description about my project. As we know, for a single job description, there are multiple resumes available, but manually screening each resume is not possible, and of course, it's time consuming. To solve this problem, job description and resume matcher helps in efficiently identifying the most relevant resume based on a given job description. So, let me show you how it works. This is the job description that I am having. I am going to paste it here. So, if you see, this is the job description for a software developer role. So your skills mentioned are Python, Java, C++, Agile, Scrum, AWS, Google Cloud, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL. So these are all the skills required for a given job description. And let's upload a resume. These are the resumes that I am having, which are in PDF, doc, and text format. So here if you can see that the similarity score for each resume is calculated and also the top 3 best matching resumes are displayed. Here highest the similarity score means that the content in that resumes are more similar to the given job description. So these three are the resumes which are having uh, the content which are mostly matching with the given job description. So now let me show a resume which is having the highest similarity score. So this is the resume which is having the highest similarity score. If you see in this resume, skills mentioned are Python, Java, C++, Agile, Scrum. So this all were the skills that were given in the job description. So this resume is having the highest similarity score. So technologies used in this project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap for the front end, Flask framework for the back end, natural language processing for the text preprocessing and text matching, TF-IDF vectorizer and cosine similarity to calculate the similarity score. So now let's move towards the code. And this is the front-end code for the job description and resume matcher. Inside the style tag, all the CSS part is written. CSS is used to add color, font, spacing, margins for better readability. Inside the body tag, the main code begins. H1 tag is used to add the heading. Image tag is used to add the image. Here, form tag is used to send the data to the Flask backend using the post method. Action equal to matcher means that the data is processed at the matcher route. A text area allows the user to enter the job description. This is the part of the code which allows the user to upload the resume. Input type equal to file allows multiple file upload. Except PDF doc text ensures that only PDF doc and text files are allowed. Uh, This is the submit button. When the user clicks match resume, the form data which contains job description and uploaded resumes is sent to the backend for processing. This is a Ginger to conditional statement used in Flask application. Now suppose if there is a message from a backend like there are no resumes matching the given job description, then that message is shown to the user as an alert, and if all the resumes are successfully matched, then the table will display all matching resumes along with their similarity score. So here table row, table head, resume name, similarity score. So here you can see that resume name and similarity score is displayed. So here for loop is used to loop through all the matched resumes and displays the name and the similarity score in the table. So top resume is a list containing names of matched resumes, and similarity score is a list containing the similarity percentage of each matched resumes, and then they are displayed in the table form. So here similarly the top 3 matched matching resumes are also displayed. So here in the script tag jQuery, popper.js and bootstrap are linked. So inside this script type, the JavaScript code is written, which is used to update the file input label to show the selected file name. So let me show you. So here if you see that if you upload the file, here the file name is shown. So for that purpose, the JavaScript code is used. This is the backend code, which is the important part. At first, all the required libraries are imported from Flask. Import Flask request render template is used to build the web application and handle user requests. Import operating system helps manage file uploads and directories. Import doc to text extract text from doc file. Import py pdf to reads text from pdf files. TDF IDF factorizer and cosine similarity used for text comparison. Regular explanation helps for text cleaning. Natural language toolkit helps for text cleaning as well as text processing, such as removing common words or stop words. Here nltk.download stop word. Here we download a list of common English stop word like the, is, and to remove them from our text. Here we create a Flask application and set the folder where upload resumes will be stored. So this function reads the PDF file and extract the text using pypdf2. Similarly, this function extract the text from document file. This function is used to extract the text from a text file. For text file, we simply open and read the file. So this function checks the file extension and calls the correct function to extract the text accordingly. So if the file path dot ends with dot pdf, then extract text from pdf function is called. So this function is called. When the file path ends with dot doc, extract text from document. This function is called. Uh, File path ends with the dot txt, then extract text from text. This function is called, or else it will return nothing. So this is a function for pre-processing of the text. Pre-processing of text means to remove punctuation, special character, irrelevant text, to remove stop words, convert to lowercase, and apply stemming and lemmatization to improve model performance, accuracy, and efficiency. So in this part, text cleaning is done. So this part is used for rendering the main page. When user visit the website, this function loads the matchresume.html page. So when we open the website, the front end part is shown where the user can upload the resumes and the job description. So for that, this code is used. This route handles the form submission when users upload resumes and a job description. So inside this function, if request.method equal to post, ensures that this function only executes if the request is of type post. Job description equal to request dot form dot get job description retrieves the job description text from the form. Resume files equal to request dot files dot get list resumes retrieves the list of uploaded resumes from the form. If not resume files or not job description, checks if resumes or the job description are missing. If any one of them is missing, then it will show the message to the user as please upload the resumes and enter a job description. Here an empty list is created to store processed resume text. This is this is also the empty list created to store resume file names. Here for loop is used to iterate through each uploaded resumes. Then from that resume, the text is extracted. So extract text function is called. After the extraction of the text, then the text is pre-processed. So pre-processed text function is called. After pre-processing of the text, that text is stored in this resumes list and the name is stored in a resume name. Similarly, for the job description, pre-processed text function is called. So for the job description, text is also pre-processed. So vectorizer and cosine similarity are the main part of the code. So let's see what is TDF, IDF vectorizer and cosine similarity. Let's see what is TF. So TF is a term frequency and it measures how often a word appears in a document. So this is the formula for term frequency. Number of times term T appears in a document D upon total number of terms in a document. So let's say example. So here you can see that NLP appears two times in a document. So two, and there are seven words. So seven. So this is how the term frequency is calculated. So this is inverse document frequency. So formula for inverse document frequency is log of total number of document in corpus D upon number of document containing term T. So this is the example. Suppose if you have a three documents and NLP appears in two of them. So this will be the formula to calculate the inverse document frequency. So TF-IDF score is calculated by multiplication multiplying the frequency into inverse document frequency. So in this way TF-IDF is calculated. So let's see one example. So this is the document 1, the cat is sleeping, and this is the document 2, a cat sleeps. So here the TF-IDF score is calculated for each word in each document. So for the word, a TF-IDF in document is 0.3 and a TF-IDF score in document 2 is 0. So for cat it is 0.5 and 0.5. For is it is 0.30. So for all words TF-IDF score is calculated in each document. Now here the cosine similarity is calculated for each word. This is the formula for the cosine similarity. So for the word cat, cosine similarity is 1. So as TF-IDF score is 0.5, 0.5 uh, and cosine similarity is 1. For word is cosine similarity is 0. For word sleeping, cosine similarity is 0. So this is because the cat appears two times in each document. So the word cat is having the highest similarity score and other words are appearing not appearing in both the documents. So they are having the cosine similarity 0. So in this way TF-IDF vectorizer and cosine similarity are used to calculate the similarity score. Are more important part in the code. So vectorizer equal to TF-IDF vectorizer is used to initialize the TF-IDF model. So let's see how vectorizer.fit transform works. So here fit transform job description plus resumes takes the job description and all the resumes uploaded by the user, then convert each text into a vector of numbers. Then a matrix is created where each row contains represents a document which in our case the documents are job description and resumes. So job description, resume 1, resume 2, and each column represent a unique word in all the documents like Python, Java, machine learning. So here TF-IDF score for each word in each document is calculated and is shown in the matrix form. So in this example, you can see that resume 1 is more similar to the job description because the numbers are much closer to the job description. So now let's move further. So here vector 0 represent a job description as a vector. Vector 1 represent all the resume vectors. Then it compute cosine similarity. So we know the formula for the cosine similarity. So it computes the cosine similarity between the job description and each resume and stored in a similarity score. Then here it sorts the similarity score in the descending order. Then top resumes contains a list of all the matching resumes in a descending order and their corresponding similarity score is stored in a top scores and then it is converted into percentage. So it extracts the top three highest scoring resumes. So here there are top three resumes which are having the highest similarity score. So here, once inside the matcher function, once the resumes are processed and similarity scores are calculated, the result needs to be displayed to the user and it needs to be sent to the front-end code. So this part is used for that. It sends the top resumes which contains the all the match resumes and their similarity scores and also the top three resumes along with their similarity score is sent to the front-end code to display to the user. So this part if name equal to main is used to run the Flask server. So yes, this is all about the job description and resume matcher code. So thank you.